Hello, this is going to be our final video working with the buggy because it's officially all finished. So that means today we're going to be taking it out and we're going to be giving it a rip around the garden.
Test drive.
Test drive, yeah.
Test drive before it goes up for sale.
Yeah, because we want to have some fun with it before it goes up basically.
Yeah, why not?
So, I'll catch you outside.
Three back.
Let me see your body rock, shaking it from the bottom to top. Break to what the DJ drop. We be the ones to make it hot. Electric shock, energy like a billion watts. Space be booming, the speakers pop. Galactic call me Mr. Spot. We bumping in your parking lot.
Alright, go quickly, motion. We're screwed if we can't get off.
Hop in the music and rock your body right. Rock your body right. Rock your body right. Come on, yeah. Come on, yeah. Rock, 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 rock.
warranty. You want it but can't afford it. My world is different than yours. Your opinion of me is glory, glorifying in all these forums. Back to future in the DeLorean, you ain't used to feeling this important. Cars imported, girls imported, insubordinate, get deported. Baby, check my inventory. Got a whole lot in store for you. Purple bags, purple tags. I can put a whole lot of shit on blast. Vera Wang, Balenciaga, baby, you ain't never took class of that. I talk a lot of shit, 'cause I can back it up.
Well, people, that's officially the end of today's video and the final video for the buggy. I hope you follow the series for our next project, as we'll be getting this up on the market soon and be trying to sell it as well as soon as possible. Hope you had a fun time. Like and subscribe.